We are a web service and a virtual numbers provider. We also do provide a complete CRM platform from where many startups, individuals, or businesses can just log into the platform and just purchase the number to make business calls, personal calls, and many more. We do provide virtual numbers from 100 plus countries. Many of users, they want the number for calling, SMS, some do want a number for third-party verification, and some business startups, they want our platform so that they can manage their leads, call their leads, and do the outreach and those kind of things. So let me share my screen so that I can show you the platform, how it looks like, and how you can navigate it, navigate through the street piece of our platform, how you can use each and every of our features and everything. Okay.
Okay, sure.
So let's say first, when any of our user takes any of our subscription plan and log into the platform, this will be the first piece appearing. Once they are logged in and chosen any of their plans they want, this will be the first landing page. And this page basically shows the overall analytics of the business, or let's say the performance of business online within the platform. So simply it shows, let's say,
Total
total
calls,
number of calls made,
live
missed
call.
calls, live calls, if any calls ongoing at the moment, and messages sent and received chart so that it will be easier for to view the total number of messages sent and received and must use were within a call as well. And we also do provide the total call duration timings, average answer time, and average call close time over here, and along with the call history over here. It means each and every calls made using this platform will be also displayed. Then they can also filter it out by incoming calls, outgoing calls, and missed calls. And just below than that, we do have number report from where they can see data up to the number of rejected calls, missed calls, outbound calls, and inbound calls. And the traffic by country, it simply shows the number of incoming calls from the country so that it will be easier for the business to track from which country their client has the highest reach and those kind of things. And below here, we do have a member section. Each and every members added to the platform can also be viewed from. So when the user first buys our product, the next thing that they do is just purchase the number so that they can just make a calls, use their number for calls, SMS, right? To purchase the number, it's very easy. Just click on this plus sign, and below here we do have a number space from where they can purchase the number of their choices. Purchase the number is just very easy. They just need to click on the, let's say, country section and just search for the country they want the number from. Let's say I
How
want
many
the number
countries are
from
available
US.
currently?
Yep, currently like 100 plus countries are available.
Okay, wow, that's very good.
Yeah. So United States, search in the country and what kind of number I want. Let's say I want the local number, right? And what are the capabilities I want in the number, and it will show up all the numbers available with their capabilities and the monthly charges for the number, right? Number charges, they are like, let's say, they are separate from our subscription charge. Our
Okay.
subscription charge, they give access to platform and all the features available, whereas for the number, they need to pay separately and purchase the number.
Okay,
So
could you
this
please
is
tell me about your plans first? Then we can go here.
Yep. We do have a basic plan starting from $50 per month, and we do have a business plan starting from $35 per month. But let's say when a user buys any of our plans and choose to pay annually, pay at once, then 20% discount is applied automatically on yearly payments.
Okay.
And
What's the difference between both plans?
Yep, there are lots of difference between both the plans. Let's say basic plan suits very much for the individuals or the small startups where they just need the number for calling, SMS, and their lead management, let's say the contacts management. It is very familiar to the person when you have a, let's say, smaller team and just individual team, and let's say not that use case, it's just calling an SMS. The basic plan will be the best speed, and for the premium plan or business plan, let's say a business team might have multiple members, right? So at the time, they just can go with the premium plan and add up to unlimited members in the platform. Our basic plan, it only allows users to add 10 members, but with the premium plan, unlimited members can be added. And
Okay.
we do have lots of things. Let's say once purchased, the number setting also can be customized. Where basic plan don't have these features. Let's say basic plan have auto call records and auto transcription. They don't have like business hour. They can also set the business hour and take out the working hour of their office so that in that particular time only they can be reached out. They can also use the call forwarding feature from where they can just forward the call from platform to the to their external number. Let's say sometimes the business might be closed and
Waiting that, could you take me to the page of the plans?
sorry.
The page, website page you have for the plan.
Yep. Let's say when a user subscribe to any of our plans, they can also see each and everything through the platform itself, like their for their transparency, right? Everything is can be controlled and viewed from here. Just go to the subscription billing section and see their subscription plan, see which kind of plan they are purchasing, and all the payments you can. They can also cancel the subscription every time, anytime they want, and they can also change the plan and just see the
Okay.
plans and
That's
the
sufficient.
features available over here. I believe this is the one that you wanted to
Yeah.
have a look.
That's very
Yep.
good. Yeah. Okay.
And they can also, let's say, upgrade and downgrade a subscription anytime that they like. These are the features simply available with the basic plan. And basically, like a premium plan, it gives access to each and every of our features. Where the basic plan don't have control over business hours, call sentiment analysis, AI powered call summary, those kind of things. Yeah.
Okay. Very good.
And they can also add the member to the platform so that the team within a company can use the platform too. And we also have a team section. Let's say when in your company you might have a big team, some sales team, support team, right? So at the time they can just create a manual team and add a member in that team as well. We do have power dialer over here. Let's say when you have to call a huge number of leads at a single time, rather than manual calling every time, it might be like time consuming, right? So in that case, this power dialer comes to an action where they can just import the CSP, create a campaign, right? And just use this campaign for auto calling so that each and every calls will be called automatically, and it will be easier for them to call multiple number of leads at a single time from here. And we do have a contact section from where they can just upload the contact, upload the CSV file as well in the platform. And we do have analytics section. Basically, this is the one that makes Calilio different from other DOIP platforms or other, let's say, CRM tools, right? Yep. So basically, this AI analytics, it keeps each and every of your members report as well, like their time in the call, what kind of words they're speaking, is their call positive or negative, right? And everything can be analyzed from here, call resolutions and everything. And they can also see the member report from here. Like we have designed it in a such way that after each call, AI just determines that call. It is a positive call, sentimental analysis, and just see each and every member's performance over the platform.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Like the number of missed calls, total number of calls taken, and everything from this AI analytics section. And we do have all the things. What we do have is like we do have settings from where we can, let's say, set a caller ID as well. When you, I believe you're familiar with caller ID.
Caller ID, okay, but could you explain it in an easy way for beginners?
Yep. Simply, a caller ID means, let's say, you have a US number purchased, but you want to show to your clients that you're calling from Europe rather than US, because you want to reach out to your clients from Europe, right? So at the time, like calling, simply, let's say, caller ID when used when you have to, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yep. So caller ID simply displays the number that you want to show rather than the number that you have purchased from Calilio. Let's say when you're calling your clients from US and you want to display the UK number for your Europe clients so that it will be on standard format, you can just add a new caller ID over here. You can just add your phone number from Europe or any other number that you have and just give it a friendly name and set the caller ID. Once the caller ID is seated, rather than displaying this particular number that you have purchased, user will be added number. Let's say if you have added other number from UK, then this particular number will be displayed rather than the actual number that you're calling from.
So what's the benefit of this? Why don't they can buy the number of that country?
They can buy the number of that country, but sometimes what happens is, let's say I'm calling to any of my friends or any of my clients, and I used to reach out to them with the previous number that I have on my phone, right? The cell phone number. And at the time, and let's say I want to make a call from the platform that's call rates and call costing and multiple leads calling at the time might be like a call heavy or costly from the phone or our personal phone number. So at the time, what we can do is we can just add a caller ID and our particular number that you used to call before or our external number over here. And we can just call from the platform with any of our number purchased. After that, what it will display is, it will not display this number, but it will display the number that you have added. It means it will just display the users who receive our calls. They will just display the number that they used to get a call earlier. It means our personal phone number.
Okay.
So that it will be easier for them to recognize us for that purpose.
That's very good.
And we do have a block list over here. Let's say all the contacts that is spam or something, you can just block them and just unblock them from here. We do have a custom saved replies as well. Let's say when you have to message your clients and rather than just saying, how are you, good morning, and information about certain things, at the time you can just create a custom shortcuts and use them so that you don't have to manually type good morning, good night, and the repeated message repeated. For that reason, we do have saved replies, and we do have a wallet section over here. Before that, we do have a subscription section from where they can just see their plans, purchase more, and cancel their subscription anytime they like. And wallet, we do have a wallet over here. Wallet simply to use the platform, we are based on a pay as per you go model. So like to use the platform and to make a calls once they purchase the number, to send the SMS, they need to load up the wallet. And each and every call rates and SMS rate will be deducted on per minute basis or per SMS basis, right? So to use the platform, they need to just load up the wallet from here. This wallet section, they can see their credit available, and they can also toggle the low balance so that they can be notified if the balance is low, and they can also enable the auto recharge feature so that they don't have to manually top up the wallet every time. Let's say when your credit is below $20, just recharge automatically by $100, right? So it makes them easier. And we do have payments method over here. From here, they can just add up to 3 cards, and 1 card will act as the primary card. They can just see their billing details, and each and every payments that they have made is very transparent to them. They can just, our users, they can view the payments that they have made and even download the invoices from here. And from the application setting, we do have integration feature available. Let's say they want to integrate our Calilio platform to any other platform and sync the call logs and other different kind of things that they. So at the time, they can also integrate our app with any third-party dependencies as well. So as for now, for the direct integration, we do have Pipedrive and Pappy Connect, but others are coming in future. But let's say rather than Pipedrive, they can also integrate with other tools as well. For that, they first of all need to connect to Pappy and then connect to other apps that they want. Simply Pappy is a bridge between Calilio and any other third-party dependencies that they want to integrate.
So can we send SMS from this platform?
Yeah, we can. So once they have purchased the number, they are finally, let's go to the number section, how they can purchase the number. We were a little bit like incomplete on this, right?
Right.
So to purchase the number, they need to just add it to cart and just give it a friendly name and upload the required documents that they need to submit them in order to get this number verified. Let's say to purchase the number, they must submit some documents, and the documents, it can be different from different countries. Let's say some countries, they do accept documents from any countries, or let's say when you have to buy some country specific numbers, the documents required maybe working if the person is from that country itself, right? So documents, they varies from country to country, and once they take the number, they can just add the required documents here and request for the number, and it will take 1 to 3 business days to get the number approved. Like our team will be reviewing the documents and everything. And once the number is approved, it can be displayed over here, all the purchase and approved number. And if you click to any of your purchase number, you'll be navigated to connect box, from where you can just view each and every of your communication. Let's say any calls that you have made, any call recordings, call transcription, and we can also send the message from here. But to send the message from US to US, we do need A2P10 DLC as well. This is simply our career provider requirements. Let's say to prevent fraud and scam messages. This is a rules and regulations set by the career providers from US. But if you have to send the message from any countries except for US to US or Canada to Canada, we can just send the message we want. To send the message, just click to that particular conversation or particular contact, and from here we can just send the message saying, hi, this is Nose, like that.
Okay.
And they can also like keep the track of their clients. They can edit their name, email, company, and let's say when you're having any important conversation during a call, they can just note it down over here and give them a tags so that it will be easier for them to recognize it later. Let's say it is a future prospect, I can see it is as a future prospect, right? If the deal is closed, I can see closed, and those are the tags that can be given. Yeah. So if you have any questions, you can just ask. Right?
Okay. Can you give me an example of documents asked?
Yep. Or let's say if I want the UK number from Calilio itself, what I need to do is I need to provide some documents that is stated by the career providers. Documents, we do not have any control over them. Yes. Simply our career providers, they are the one to set the documents and regulations for the number. So basically for the UK number, we do need ID and address proof document. It can be from anywhere in the world. Okay. And if it is for business use case, we'll be needing business name, business address. It can be from anywhere in the world. But let's say if I want a number from Brazil, right, then the documents requirement over there is different. The documents must be from ID and address proof document. It can be accepted if the documents is from only Brazil. So those are the things.
Oh, wow. Can we add members here with different restrictions?
Yeah, but we do have basically the roles on the members. Let's say when we are adding the member to the platform, we can give their full name, their email, and the role. Simply, as for now, we have two roles: admin role and member role. Member role gives a very limited control over the platform, where admin roles can have each and every access to the platform. Member, they cannot, let's say, make a payment, see the total number of purchase number, and or have any controls over the platform. But what members can do is they can just log into the platform and use the assigned numbers only to make calls and SMS. That's all.
Okay, then admin will assign number to members, right?
Sorry.
Admin have to assign numbers to member, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
they can use it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
So, any other questions?
Okay. No. So, is there any other specific feature we forgot to discuss?
Yeah, but these are the everything basically. We do have lots of things in analytics section. This is like next to be discussed, but let's say when any of our clients buys the subscription plan, it simply goes to analytics section. Oh, what it is. By looking, they can be known everything. Simply, it gives the members a report and AI sentiments of calls within the platform. That's all the use of it. Let's say if I want to see the positive sentiments of the call, the positive calls, I can view it over here. Which members having how many number of percentage negative sentiments, reason for calls, like what are the reasons behind the. Can you hear me now?
Yeah. I can.
So on top of that, we do also have a call transcription feature, right? So this feature gives you a script version of your call, and it shows the sentiment of that call, total talk time, member talk time, call summary, reason for the call, conclusion of the call. You can see here. This will notify the customer about the overdue amount and suggestions to improve and make it better next time when they call, along with the call transcription. So call transcription, it is the script version of the call. Each and everything that they are discussing in the call will be also on the script version as well, so that business, it can be easier for them, their admins, to determine their member speech and what they are talking in the call, right?